Welcome back, everyone. Crypto Patrick here. Today, I want to go over the rumor that Tron TRX is being added to Coinbase and some other reasonably priced altcoins, and see if that rumor is true and get into that. So, if you guys are new to this, please like and subscribe to my channel. I do news videos every day, so it's not a bad idea to subscribe. Put a comment down below if you want to win some Ripple. I do Ripple giveaways like every Friday. So all you got to do is write a cool comment about Tron on this video, and then that's about it. Yeah, and that's it. Make sure you hit that like button. And so just getting into it right now, guys. Looking at the market cap, we are at $566 million. The 24-hour trade volume is kind of small at 25 billion. We're looking down at Tron TRX, and it's still at number 14. It hasn't really moved yet, and it's still sitting around. Looks like that 6-cent mark. It hasn't really moved a whole lot like recently. There hasn't been a lot of things happening with Tron. We've seen an all-time high of 30 cents. Tron, like Justin Sun's always promoting it on his Twitter. If you go to his Twitter and read about it. But one of the rumors, guys, that's going on right now is basically, here's one post on Reddit. I know it's kind of some speculation going on, but there's a little bit to it. So let's take a look at it. He said basically, if you search Coinbase and search for the term Tron, the resulting page will take you to a titled Support Digital Currencies. And the search query doesn't work for any random currency. You can enter searches for tons of currencies that enter no results. This leads to speculation that web developers at Coinbase are preparing to code and to accommodate future additions to support other altcoins. It should be noted that one of Tron's key investors, Bing Lee. Why is this important? In 2011, the partner of a venture capital firm, Lee, became the very first investor on Coinbase with $10,000 in seed money. Between 2013 and 2015, the total investment of Ripple. So basically, it put him in a position on Ripple's board of directors. That's how Lee met Justin Sun, who is the chief representative and advisor of Ripple in China. Justin has been touting that Tron will be listed on more top exchanges in Q1. So that's like the beginning of 2018, guys. If Tron is truly in the pipeline and being added to Coinbase in the near future, getting in right now at these prices is a steal. So is this a good time to invest, guys? I think it is. I think maybe some of these exchanges that are going to get listed on will be Tron. If we try it out, that random search query that doesn't work, you can come right here. Look at, if you type it in, one result for Tron. If you type in like Bitcoin cat, or let's just say Neocoin. See, not much going on. If you type in Tron, the one result was found. So basically, a lot of people are thinking that they're getting the code ready for it. This could be true, just on the back end, like getting something ready. A lot of these coins that are reasonably priced, like Ripple, Tron, I think Stellar would be a good addition. Any of these coins that they can put on there, they can put other altcoins on Coinbase. Then they can add to the Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, Ethereum, and then people won't be going over to KuCoin and Binance and these other exchanges because they can just get it all on Coinbase. I think Coinbase will do this, guys. I think it's in their works. It makes sense to not have all these people that come and get onto Coinbase. People that first get into cryptocurrency come and they create a Coinbase, and they start using all the other, they basically start using all the other exchanges like Binance and everything after they've already converted their fiat money through their bank on Coinbase and bought some Ethereum and Bitcoin. Then they start using EtherDelta or Binance or Bittrex, but they converted that Bitcoin first. That's why I think they're going to add these cheap altcoins. I think it's going to keep their customers from not leaving Coinbase and buying other altcoins. And it just makes sense, like as a business as a whole, to add that on there. And I think it could definitely happen, guys. There's been another article that happened. We look right here, and this is on Bitcoinist.com, but it said this was on CNBC, and the Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong discussed how Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies are becoming the next generation stock market. And this was in December 13th, you guys, not even that long ago. And he said he went into brief details on the new services that will allow investors and institutions to buy and store cryptocurrency. And then here's where the interesting part came, you guys. He said the interesting part came next when he started talking about altcoins. As crypto market becomes the stock market 2.0, he said that Coinbase plans to expand to altcoin listings in 2018. The one that is the most exciting for us is we have the platform today are Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. but there's many more that are going to be added to the platform in 2018. Huge news, guys. This is going to be really exciting space for all kinds of institutional investors to make money. If this happens, guys, Bitcoin Cash 4x'd overnight when it got added to Coinbase. So what will the price do of Tron if it's at 6 cents right now? Times that by 4. I mean, a 24-cent Tron, I think we'd see maybe a 35-cent Tron, and then with good news and more exchanges and Tron going to space, all this stuff happening, I think we could definitely see a 50-cent Tron in 2018. So this is a possible 4 to 5x opportunity right here, maybe even more, guys. I think Tron is a safe bet. Whenever Bitcoin, if you look on Coinbase right now, we look and Tron hasn't really moved, but we have seen that all-time high of 30 cents. I mean, that's really good. Justin Sun's really active on his Twitter. Look at you guys look right here, and this is on look at 30 cents on January 5th. And so, like, the market really hasn't moved right now. So as long as when Bitcoin's not moving, none of these other ones are moving, guys. Like Bitcoin is at 11,271. It got up to 20,000. Ethereum's the only one that's kind of stayed stable. Ripple saw a high of 380. Bitcoin Cash was another good one. It was like a high of 4,000. We had Stellar right here. All these ones are following Bitcoin's trend. So when Bitcoin goes up, all the other ones go up too. But I think the Coinbase rumor will definitely help out Tron. I think they want to add cheap coins. They're going to add Ripple. They said they're going to add about 4 of them. I think Ripple, Tron, Stellar. Yeah, I think Ripple, Tron, and Stellar are just like probably the best options right there to add. They already have LITECOIN, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, Bitcoin. I don't think they're going to add anything like Dash or Ethereum Classic or anything. I think they're going to stick to these other cheap altcoins so people don't start leaving and going out of their space. And that's it, guys. That's all I wanted to share with you today, and just do a quick update. And if you guys want to start mining Bitcoin, if you look on the link in the description, you'll see a video on how I mine Bitcoin, and I buy all these other altcoins like Tron TRX, Ripple with my giveaways. I get paid in Bitcoin, and I think that's the best way to do it. And I use BITCLUB Network. It's in the link in the description, but it's a $100 membership and $500 for the pool, but you can compound and go to any of these pools by compounding. They have a 50% repurchase, but you can set it to 100 for during your days and make your way up to founder. You can also mine Ethereum, Zcash, Monero, and then you can start buying other altcoins. But it's a good idea if you do these pools, as long as Bitcoin, the difficulty increases, you're constantly repurchasing into new pools, and that ensures your chances to get higher payouts. So it unlocks higher payouts the more you do, and you can compound, and that 1,000 days becomes like an infinite amount of days. I can't pronounce that right now. And this is what it looks like right here. So you keep buying that compounding, you keep getting more and more and more and more days. And the reason why I like that company, guys, is because they have the most. If you look right here, they have the highest out of all these pools right now. Like you don't see Genesis or anything else, but you see BITCLUB Network. It's like one of the biggest mine. They got 3.5% of all the Bitcoin mined. So I think that's like a really good selling point too. But yeah, that's all I want to say, guys. I really hope that Tron gets on there. I'm holding $500 worth of Tron right now. That could be the 4Xs. I can make, like 2-3 grand easily. I'm hoping this rumor comes up. I hope all you guys are getting in while it's cheap. And that's it, guys. I hope this works, and I hope they get on there. Peace.